Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're going to go ahead and get started here. First, I applied tape to the outer corners of my eyes so that I could get a very sharp and defined cat eye look at the end. First thing I'm going to do is apply my L'Oreal's Fit Me Concealer in the shade Carmel and blend that out with my Wonder Blender. And then I'm going to use my L'Oreal's Hydra Perfecte setting powder in the shade Medium to go ahead and set my lid. Now going into my favorite palette, the Boss Mood palette, I'm going to go into the shade Play It Cool and apply this all over my crease. Once I have the color to my liking, I'm then going to go into the shade Peachy Keen. And I'm going to apply this right where I applied Play It Cool and bring it up just a little bit to add some warmth to the crease. Now going into the shade Sparks Fly, I'm going to apply this to the outer corner of my lid, now bringing it into my crease. Then I'm going to use the shade Peachy Clean to go ahead and diffuse and blend out Sparks Fly. And then slowly blend that shade to the crease. Now going in with Hot Stuff, I'm going to apply this to half of my lid. I'm going for a half cut crease look, but I'm going to blend it out because I don't want it really defined and sharp. And then I'm going to go back into Sparks Fly to help blend and diffuse Hot Stuff. Now taking the shade Black Magic, I'm going to place this as close to the tape as possible and then blend this in towards the inner corner of my lid. Going for a smoky cat eye look. I'm going to keep building that color up to my liking until I get it to as intense as I like it. And then I'm going to go in with my Profusion Siennas palette, and I'm going to take this gold shade and apply it on the inner corner just to give my eyelid more definition. I'm going to go back into Black Magic to add the pigment that I lost. Now taking my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette, I'm going to go into this gold shade here and use this to highlight underneath my brow bone. I am going to finish my other eye and apply my foundation off camera. Sorry that you can't see, but I'm just applying black eyeliner to my lower lash line. And to smoke out my lash line, I am just going back into those 3 brown shades that I used previously on my lids. And then I'm going to go back into Black Magic and get as close to my lash line as possible to really smoke it out. The lashes that I'm using are from Lilly lashes, and they're in the style Doha. I like these lashes because they are winged, which means that they're longer on the outer corner. I feel like this style of lashes complements the look best. All of the products that I've used will be listed in the description below. And here's the finished look once the eyelashes are applied. Alright guys, this is all I have for you today. I know my lipstick isn't perfect, but mommy duties. I hope you guys like it. It was a quick tutorial. I feel like it's something simple that anyone could do for date night or whatever. Not yet, girl. But this is all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you again, bye.